In this video I share my SEI price prediction for 2024 with long and short-term analysis, and we will have potential price targets and potential buy zones for SEI to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. As you can see, SEI is on place 46 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.5 billion. SEI is just existent since 2023, and in the last November we started to rise to the upside at SEI to the all-time high in 2024. As you can see, this is the daily chart of SEI, and after we got this longer consolidation right here, we then started in November 2023 to go to the upside. From the down to the top we saw a move of 180%, then we saw this correction to the downside, made a higher high, and then we started this crazy bullish momentum to the upside and made higher highs all the way. And the most important is that we started this bullish momentum while every coin like Bitcoin and other altcoins are going sideways or going to the downside. So this is a very bullish sign, and this chart is crazy bullish. From November to the top we already made about 700%, and I think SEI is a great project with very nice potential, because as I mentioned earlier, we are on place 46 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.5 billion, and if we have a look at the top 10 of all cryptocurrencies, we have with Dogecoin $11 billion market cap. So just from the market cap we have a 10x to Dogecoin with SEI. So I think a potential of $6 is very realistic. This would be a potential of 800% for the next bull run. And of course, as I said, if SEI comes into the top 20 or top 10 of all cryptocurrencies, then the bull run started to go to the upside, then I think the chances are high that we can see even higher prices for SEI. But of course, this is just the orientation, and I don't want to FOMO in SEI, because SEI is a very new coin, and the chance that coins like SEI are also going to the downside again is also very high. So I think SEI has a potential to make more gains than coins like Ethereum. But of course, the chance that we see even lower prices and that SEI can die in the next bear market is also there. But a realistic target for the next bull run are $2 for me. So I think that the potential of 200% is very realistic for SEI. And I think if we would reach this potential, it would be a great deal. But if we want to see prices like this, we have to continue the bullish structure, because right now we are in a clear bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs. So if we can continue this bullish move, then it's very realistic that we reach these goals. And of course, it's very difficult to say where are potential rejection zones, because this coin is so new, we don't have any resistance areas from the past. So I think that a potential bull run could be like this, that we see clear higher highs and that we then see smaller retracement. So of course, if the bull run started, we can also buy some coins in higher lows. So after looking for potential price targets for the bull run for SEI, we are now looking at potential buy zones. And I think the first really interesting buy zone is this demand zone right here, because from this demand zone we saw this push to the upside. After the matrix pot news we saw this retest of this demand zone, but just with this wick, and we don't break this demand zone to the downside. And right now we also saw this retest and then move to the upside. So if we would come back again into this demand zone right here, and if we are not breaking it to the downside, and if we then see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entries right here and hodl it into the next highs. But if we're breaking to the downside, another potential buy zone is this demand zone right here, because from this demand zone we also saw this push to the upside. So if we're coming back again into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entries right here. And if we are also breaking even lower, then I think the last really interesting buy zone area is this one right here, because again we saw this consolidation and then push to the upside. I don't really think that we are coming again into this prices. But if we see a retracement to this prices right here, then I would buy some coins for my hodl portfolio, because if we are just looking from the prices right now to the all-time high, we have a potential of 270%, and from these prices to a potential of $2, we have 700% potential. So this would be a very nice deal on SEI. So these are my potential buy zone areas for the next bull run. And of course, if we see lower prices, it would be even a bigger deal on SEI. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like SEI, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for SEI. If you want to see my Chainlink price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.